The Nimitz carrier strike group represents unmatched power projection. As tensions rise, the fleet moves into the Strait of Hormuz.
This deployment underscores the significant military assets President Trump has directed to the Middle East, led by the Nimitz-class carrier group.
This is the USS Gerald R. Ford, America's newest carrier. Maintaining this technological marvel is a...
This beautiful armada, led by the USS Abraham Lincoln, represents a significant projection of power as the U.S. increases its presence in the region.
Those armed darts. The USS Abraham Lincoln Carrier Strike Group, seen here preparing for deployment, represents a formidable...
We need to optimize the coolant flow in this section.
Rerouting auxiliary power here could increase efficiency by 5%, according to the simulation data.
This section of the reactor housing needs immediate attention during the upcoming deployment refit.
Agreed. We can't afford a failure in the Strait. If we adjust the phasing on the main reduction gear, we minimize the cavitation risk.
That aligns with the vibration analysis data.
Look at this section of the propulsion system here.
If we modify the intake valve geometry as modeled,
The simulations show a 15% efficiency gain.
Look at the fluid dynamics here during the launch sequence.
If we adjust the pressure timing, we can reduce the wear on the retraction systems.
Look at this thermal stress reading on the primary coolant pump. It's too high for sustained operations.
agreed. We need to reroute the secondary loop to compensate.
This configuration should improve signal acquisition by 15%.
Agreed. Let's run the simulation on the power flow metrics.
Check the conduits on Sector 4. They're secure. Running the diagnostic sequence now. Power levels look good across the board.
As the Armada surges toward the Gulf, the reliability of the Aegis combat system rests on the diligent work of these technicians.
Talon 1-1, systems check complete. Green status across the board.
Copy that. Avionics are a go. We are ready for engine start.
Maintaining the Aegis system requires constant vigilance. These tests ensure the radar and navigation equipment are fully operational.
Aegis system reports green across all 32 cells.
Confirmed. Initiating final power cycle sequence now. Aegis system self-tests are green across the board.
Power levels confirmed nominal. Ready for operational checks.
Simulation escalating. Target lock confirmed. Launch sequence initiated. Tracking data looks good.
Systems check is green across the board. Data link stability remains at 99%. Good to proceed with the next phase of testing.
Conduits are secure. Initiating level 1 systems check.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostics now. Power levels look stable.
Phase alignment is holding steady. We are within operational parameters.
Copy that. Moving to the next sequence.
Aegis Link 19er is green across the board.
Copy that. Confirming data flow on the primary conduit.
Integration testing of the Aegis combat system is meticulous. Engineers calibrate the radar arrays and secure fiber optic links, preparing the system for deployment.
The data stream is stable now. Check Sector 4 readings. Readings confirmed. Aegis system is fully operational. Enter. The Aegis system's radar arrays require constant calibration. Here, technicians fine-tune the...
Does the diagram confirm this coupling is correct? Yes, page 305 specifies the torque settings.
Conduits 4 through 7 are secure.
Confirmed. Checking resistance now.
The beautiful Armada, centered around the USS Nimitz, demonstrates unmatched power projection, maintaining a continuous presence in the region.
Maintaining these complex radar systems is crucial. The technicians ensure every connection on the communication equipment is flawless.
Line secure, pressure holding steady.
Copy that. Moving to the next valve.
Crane, swing that pallet to the starboard hold. Roger that, swinging now, watch your spacing. All clear on deck, bring it down slow.
Precision is paramount as sailors secure vital equipment onto the transport ships. A massive coordination effort.
Tensioning strap 1. Check the locks on the antenna mount. Verified secure. Moving to the aft brace.
Final checks on the antenna array. Ensure all bolts are torqued to spec.
All green, Chief. Bravo team, step back and await further orders.
Check the torque on the main housing bolts. All green. Antenna secure, ready for deployment.
Crane, hold position. Lowering sequence initiated.
Roger that. Guiding the starboard side down. Secure the locks.
This deployment represents a significant increase in naval assets in the region, aimed at bolstering the carrier group currently positioned off the coast.
How are we looking on the electrical connections?
Connections verified.
Guidance systems checked out, Captain. We are green across the board.
Ensure the connections are fully seated on platform 3.
Confirmed. System is reading stable voltage.
Good copy. We are clear for deployment protocols.
Armada deployment sequence active. All units report status.
Surface fire support systems reading hot, ready to engage.
Missile launch systems synchronized. Standing by.
Ensure all components are secure and aligned. Verify system status across the board.
Status confirmed. We are operational.
Launch sequence initiated.
Missile away. Confirm telemetry.
Telemetry stable. Tracking successful launch. Standby. Launching missile.
Missile track initiated.
Diagnostics confirm the upgrades are fully integrated. Well done, gentlemen. Maintain current readiness posture.
Access panel secured on launcher 3.
Confirmed. Diagnostics are nominal across the board. The upgrades are holding stable.
Ready for simulated engagement when you are.
Conduit connection secured. Power levels stabilizing. Aegis link established. We are green across the board. Initiating final sequence.
Hydraulic stabilization is green. Ready to seat the assembly.
Copy that. Proceeding with final integration sequence.
The Trump administration's beautiful Armada is surging toward Iran, led by the U.S. Arleigh Burke-class destroyers.
Adjust course to intercept Vector 7 Alpha. Deploy countermeasure sequence 3 immediately.
Aye, sir. Course adjusted, countermeasures deployed.
These exhibits showcase the enduring legacy of naval surface fire support and the rapid technological advancements of the era.
We must ensure the Aegis combat system display is prominent.
And these models clearly demonstrate the naval surface fire support capabilities.
Here we see the integration of the Aegis combat system and the Tomahawk capabilities, crucial elements of the Nimitz's enduring legacy and impact on naval strategy.
The Aegis system revolutionized naval warfare.
Absolutely, and the integration of the Tomahawk missiles solidified its projection capabilities.
Ensuring the Phalanx CIWS model is positioned correctly is crucial for demonstrating its rapid-fire capability.
Maintaining the fleet's long-range strike capability relies heavily on these Tomahawk systems, undergoing constant, meticulous inspection.
According to the schematic, this is the guidance system interface.
Accessing the panel now. Looks clean internally.
Confirmed. Mark that cell operational.
The Aegis system's phased array radar is the eyes of the fleet, requiring meticulous inspection by trained technicians.
Cable secure. Running diagnostics on the primary array now. Readings look good.
Acknowledged. Uploading the new flight profiles to the Aegis system.
Torque is set on the dampener coupling.
Confirmed. Diagnostics show green across the board. Ready for operational check.
Technicians meticulously inspect the email system, ensuring peak performance for rapid deployment scenarios.
Conduit 573 secured. Confirmed. Moving to panel 8.
Deck is clear. Bring her forward.
Roger that. Moving now.
Pressure holding steady at 50.
Solid copy. Prepare for their disconnect. Fueling complete. Disconnect the hose.
Hose detached. Clear to move.
Roger that. Engaging the tug.
Coordinates secure.
Confirm pylon connection locked.
Ready for the next payload. Tension reading stable, sir. Within parameters.
Good. Certify the gear for launch cycle 7.
Vetting complete. Vetting complete. This component is cleared for deployment.
Ensure the conduit is seated correctly before tightening.
It's secure, sir. Finalizing the torque now.
Readings look good across the board.
Torque level reached on this connection.
Confirmed. System integrity is green.
As the Armada surges, the USS Nimitz stands ready. This military breakdown examines the carrier's role in the region.
The USS Nimitz Carrier Strike Group, a formidable armada, demonstrates unmatched naval power as it surges through the Persian Gulf.
The USS Gerald R. Ford, the newest supercarrier, leads the armada surging towards the Persian Gulf.